Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's intensive age refining treatment. Now, intensive age refining treatment has 0.5% retinol and is specifically formulated for aging. This advanced retinol formula features a delivery system often used in pharmaceuticals, yet entirely new to skincare. This patented 10-hour time-release Omnisum delivery system stabilizes and carries a unique blend of ingredients deeper into the skin for superior results. Basically, it's drip feeding your skin. This innovative formula minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduces age-related skin yellowing and redness because it contains niacinamide, which is a nice calming and soothing ingredient. It will help firm the skin with retinol peptide and stem cell extract technology with minimal irritation. This is suitable for all signs of aging and concerns with hyperpigmentation, photo damage, dull and lifeless skin. You would only use in the evening. Apply a pea-sized amount after cleansing. At first you would start twice a week and then gradually increasing application frequency to every other night and then advancing to each evening or as tolerated. It's just so your skin gets used to the high ingredients of retinol and all the other wonderful antioxidants that are in this formula. Now it works great at nighttime with any of your PCA moisturizers, but particularly the collagen hydrator. Now, just a really important note, it's really important to wear a broad spectrum SPF during the day when using this product at night, since retinol is sun sensitizing. If you would like to purchase the PCA Intensive Age Refining Treatment, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. I'd also just like to mention that Skinmart now are offering face-to-face skin consultations and you can organise that online at any time. Thank you and have a great day.